ದೃಶ್ಯವಾಹಿನಿಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಪಾಠ ಪ್ರವಚನಗಳನ್ನು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತಲುಪಿಸುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ.
Everyone, on behalf of Department of Biochemistry, I heartily welcome you all for the Induction program 2022-23. Myself, Srimati Rajeshwari Ji, Guest Faculty, Department of Biochemistry, KSOU, Dr. Netraju Angaswamy, Chairman and Assistant Professor, Department of Biochemistry, KSOU. In Biochemistry, we are conducting BSc, MSc and PhD courses. In BSc Biochemistry, it is 3 years course, including practical classes, whereas MSc Biochemistry, it is 2 years course, including practical classes. Only in MSc, we have open elective subject. MSc students will study biochemistry as well as open elective subject. PhD courses, it is 3 to 5 years course. It mainly depends on the research scholars. Students' login ID will be provided by the university to check the syllabus and academic information. Students has to collect the textbook from the university. Students has to bring the admission slip to collect the textbook. Students can download the soft copy through the website. Biochemistry students WhatsApp group will be created by the department. Online classes, practical classes and assignment submission date and even the exam date will be posted in the group. Online class and practical classes will be conducted for 10 to 12 days. Regarding the exams, theory marks will be 80, internal assessment will be for 20 marks and open elective will be 40 marks. Further details sir will inform.
Hi, I'm Dr. Nataraj, Chairman of Department of Biochemistry. Okay, in biochemistry there are certain things which we would like to inform the students. The first thing is the assignments which will be for 20 marks has to be submitted within that stipulated period of time. Okay, for example, since BSc courses and MSc courses are semester courses, there will be 2 semesters every year. Each semester for each subject there will be 20 marks allotted for internal. Okay, the remaining 80 marks you will be writing term and examinations. Okay, this 20 marks, please note this very carefully. This 20 marks which is for assignments should be submitted within that semester stipulated time. Okay, if you are submitting it later, remember this, if you are submitting this later, your assignment will not be considered. You will lose 80 marks, period. That's all. You will lose 80 marks if you don't submit these assignments. Each subject you will have to submit separate assignment. We will give you the questions. We will give you the time when you have to submit these assignments. You will have to submit these assignments within that stipulated time. Okay, that is one important thing. And one more thing is, you don't have to call us and ask whether I should submit the assignment in person or whether I should submit the assignment through post. If you are in Mysuru or within the district, you can, if you are coming to Mysuru, you can come and submit it in the headquarters. If not, wherever you are, we have students from all over India, they will post the assignments to the department. In the assignment question paper itself, we will tell you where you have to post, what is the last date that we should receive. Okay, 2 or 3 days after the last date we will consider your assignments. Once your theory exams are announced by the registrar evaluation, we cannot consider your assignments because we will have to upload your assignment marks in the university portal for tabulation of your results. Therefore, you have to note that your assignment should be submitted within the stipulated time. Okay, again, one more thing that I told is ours is a semester scheme. Okay, since it is a semester scheme, all the academic activities has to be finished within 6 months. Therefore, if you are employed, then don't call us and ask, sir, I am employed, I won't get 20 days leave. No, we cannot help you with that. We are planning to conduct practical classes in your respective districts. If that doesn't work out, you will have to come to Mysuru for 10 to 12 days to attend the practical classes. Okay. In addition to that, to make the things easier for you, your practical exams will be conducted at the end of your practical classes. Okay. Usually your practical exams will be on Saturdays and Sundays, and your practical classes will usually include 1 or 2 general holidays. Therefore, if you are employed, if you are a government employee, or if you are employed somewhere, what you have to do is, you have to see that you keep aside 8 to 10 days or 10 to 12 days of CL for attending the practical classes. Then only you will be able to finish your practical classes and practical examinations. Okay, I mean, like, if there is some emergency, we can give you 2 or 3 days off from the practical classes. If you already have a practical experience, or if you are working in a clinical laboratory, or if you are a employee somewhere where you are working in a lab, then we will give you 2 or 3 days exemption. Otherwise, you will have to attend. It is compulsory. 8 days of practical classes you will have to attend. Coming to the theory classes in BSc and in MSc, BSc first 2 years you will have 1 or 2 subjects every semester. Last 2 semesters, that is 5th and 6th semester, you will have 2 subjects. Okay. Then the practical classes will also be 2. Okay. Now coming to the MSc classes, each semester you will have 2 hardcore papers and 2 softcore papers. Okay. So since this is a CBCS scheme, you will be provided with 4 soft cores. Out of those 4 soft cores, you can use any 2 of them. Hardcore is compulsory, 2 hardcores and 2 soft cores. Okay. When it comes to the soft cores, out of 4 soft cores, you can choose 2 soft cores. Whichever you like, you can choose. Okay. So usually, for example, in the first semester and second semester, we have cell biology 1 and cell biology 2. When you are choosing soft cores, you see that you choose the subject which has a continuation. For example, if you are choosing cell biology 1 in first semester, see that you choose cell biology 2 in the second semester. Because the theory portion that you are learning in cell biology 1 will be fundamental for cell biology 2 in the second semester. There is a link. In other subjects, some other subjects like human physiology, nutrition, there is no link between subjects, semester to semester. Whereas in other subjects, there is a link. If you are choosing a subject with a link, then you choose the second part also in the second semester. Okay. Coming to the third and fourth semester. In the third and fourth semester, the scheme of things are the same. You will have 2 hard cores and 4 soft cores, out of which you will have to choose 2. But in addition to this, in the 5th and 6th semester, in the third and the fourth semester in the MSc and 6th semester in the BSc, you can choose to do a dissertation or a project work. Okay. For example, if you are employed, you won't get time to do a dissertation or project work. In such a situation, we have a skill enhancement course. You can opt for a skill enhancement course. For example, we have a clinical biochemistry part 1 and part 2 in the 3rd and 4th semester in the MSc. You can choose that subject instead of doing a dissertation and our project work. You can write 2 extra theory exams to compensate that. If you are free, you want to do project work or dissertation, you are welcome to do project work or dissertation. If you are employed, or if you are working somewhere in a laboratory, you can choose a subject based on the laboratory facilities that are available there, and do a project and submit your project report for the 5th semester, for the 3rd semester and the 4th semester. If your project work is really good, the department will help you to write a manuscript. You can publish your data with the help of your laboratory where you have done your practicals, and that will add to your master degree certification. Okay, that is about the master degree. When you are coming to the PhD is a 3 to 5 year course. You have to appear for an entrance examination. If there is a vacancy only, the university will call you, call the applications. You have to apply You have to go through the entrance examination. If you have a NET or SLET qualification, you will be exempted from the entrance examination. Okay. Then after appearing for the entrance examination, based on your mark score, you will be asked to come appear for a Viva. So after the Viva OC, the department will decide whether you are selected for a PhD coursework or not. So you will have a PhD coursework. Following completion of the PhD coursework, your permanent registration will be completed. From that day onwards, you can start working for your PhD course. We have a very good laboratory facility in the university. We are also establishing central instrumentation facility in the university, and the university is trying to arrange learner support centers in each district. We have supporting staff and regional directors in each and every district. You can go and contact the regional directors. You can reach the regional centers for any doubts you have. In addition to all this, we will be always helping you out with the WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, we will update all the information that is required. So you can go through the WhatsApp and you can call the teachers and you can get the clarifications. So as Madam mentioned, we will provide you both soft copies and the hardbound books of the SLMs for you to go through. Okay, if you have any doubts, please send us message in the WhatsApp group, call us, we will be happy to help you. You are welcome to the Department of Biochemistry, KSOU Mysuru. We thank the university for giving us this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you.